Let's be real, internet access isn't the same everywhere. In some places, it's fast and open, and in other words, a lot of content is either restricted, blocked, or simply unavailable. If you're in Saudi Arabia, you probably run into this already. Sites blocked, messaging apps don't always connect. Some streaming services show you a blank screen. It's not about breaking rules, it's about getting access to information, staying connected, and protecting your own digital space. That's where a VPN becomes essential, not optional. So what's the point of a VPN really? It masks your IP address, encrypts your traffic, and routes your connection through a secure server in different countries. That means you get access to full version of the internet. You can use blocked apps and websites, and your data stays private, protected, and of course not all VPNs are the same. So if you're looking for something that just works, no credit card nonsense, no limits, no creepy locking policies, PlanetVPN is honestly one of the best choices out there. Here's why. First off, it's completely free. No weird trials that expire in 3 days, no hidden data caps that cut you off after streaming one episode, just free, fully working VPN access. That's a rare thing these days. Zero logs, nothing tracked. They don't even keep tabs on what you do online. No browser history, no metadata. You can stay private the way a VPN should actually work. Strong encryption. It keeps your connection safe, especially when you're using public Wi-Fi, like at cafes, airports, or hotels. Your data is locked down and protected from prying eyes. Cross-platform support. You can just run PlanetVPN on all your devices, your Windows or Mac laptop, your phone, and even as a browser extension on Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. It doesn't matter what you're using, you're covered. No registration and no email. This part I love. You don't even need a credit account. You just download the app or extension, click connect, and you're in. Super fast setup. Unlimited data. Stream all you want, scroll all you want, download whatever, there's no limit. And that's a big deal because most free VPNs slow you down or cap your usage. And most importantly, it has servers that actually work in regions like Saudi Arabia. You're not going to get stuck in one slow server in Europe. PlanetVPN gives you options, including servers in nearby countries, so you can find one that's actually fast and reliable for streaming, browsing, or staying in touch with friends abroad. Let's break it down. Streaming libraries, limited. Messaging apps, sometimes unstable and unavailable. News sites, not always accessible. And when it comes down to privacy, public Wi-Fi's or even your home connection doesn't guarantee security. Having a VPN in Saudi Arabia isn't about doing anything shady. It's about having control over your digital experience. PlanetVPN doesn't make you jump through hoops. Whether you're on Chrome, Firefox, Windows, Android, or iOS, it's cross-platform and just simple. Just install the extension or app, pick a server, and that's it. You are protected and unrestricted. And if you ever want more, like over 1,200 servers in 60 plus countries, extra fast premium nodes, or dedicated servers optimized for streaming and gaming, there's a premium plan for that too. Totally optional, but it's worth it if you want full power of a PlanetVPN on demand. Honestly, it's one of the few VPNs where the free version is solid enough to rely on, and the premium is just extra convenience. No pressure at the end of the day. The internet should work for you, not the other way around. So if you're in Saudi Arabia and tired of running into blocked content and worrying about who might be watching your traffic, give PlanetVPN a shot. It's free, it's fast, and just makes life online simpler.